So you're sick of hearing the same old make money online promises, the ones that sound easy for everyone, except you? Maybe you've already tried dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or selling on Amazon FBA. You followed the tutorials, did what the gurus said, and nothing. And now your feed is full of motivational YouTube videos and Instagram Reels, promising you'll be rich in 30 days if you just believe in yourself. Yeah, I've been there. And in this video, I'm gonna save you time, money, and headaches by telling you what actually works. And no, I'm not selling you anything. I've got 4 business models that can actually make you money online if you're willing to put in the work. And if you stick to the end, I've got a free resource that will make your decision way easier. Let's get real for a second. Almost every way of making money online technically works for someone. The problem is that people skip over the hard part, the learning curve. I used to think all I had to do was find the right method. I tried Fiverr. Nobody bought my services. I tried day trading, lost my entire investment. And I remember asking myself, why does this stuff work for other people and not me? Here's the truth. These methods do work, but not the way they're sold to you. Every single one requires skill, consistency, and sometimes months or years before you see real money. The question isn't, does this work? The real question is this worth my time, effort, and money? Also, if you hear buzzwords like automatic, passive, guaranteed, risk-free, or overnight, you should immediately be skeptical.
Business Model 4. Kindle Publishing. Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP) lets you publish books on Amazon and earn royalties whenever someone buys them. You don't need a publishing deal, a warehouse, or even a massive budget. Here's the shortcut most people miss. You can market your books for free using TikTok. If you search certain hashtags, you'll find creators posting short videos showcasing their books. When a video pops off and goes viral, they simply repeat the same formula. This works especially well for journals, planners, coloring books, and humor books because they have viral potential. Here's an example. You create a coloring book, price it at $15. Let's say one of your TikTok videos gets 100,000 views. If just 1% of viewers buy, that's 1,000 sales. And about $5 profit per sale. You've just made $5,000 from one video. Steps. Create a free Amazon KDP account. Create or outsource your book. Set up a TikTok account for your book. Post 1 to 3 videos daily. Repeat and tweak whatever goes viral. Business Model 3. YouTube Channel. YouTube is one of the most powerful platforms for long-term income. The 2 metrics you need to know: CPM, what advertisers pay per 1,000 monetized views; RPM, what you actually earn per 1,000 total views after YouTube's cut. Once you're monetized, you can earn from ads. But that's not all. Sponsorships, affiliate links, and merch can quickly multiply your revenue. Steps. Choose a niche you enjoy that has good earning potential. Research your audience and plan your content. Create thumbnails that grab attention. Write scripts, record, edit, and upload. Monitor your CTR, click-through rate, and retention rate. The secret? Make videos people actually click on and watch until the end. Business Model 2. Instagram Theme Pages. Instagram is still a goldmine if you know how to play it. You don't even need to show your face. You can run a theme page in a niche like travel, fitness, pets, or motivation. Instead of posting random content, focus on one specific style your audience loves and stick to it. Reels are the easiest way to grow fast right now because Instagram pushes them to new users. Once you build a following, you can monetize through brand sponsorships, affiliate products, selling your own merch or digital products. Steps. Pick a specific profitable niche. Curate or create high-quality posts daily. Use trending sounds for Reels. Engage with your audience in comments and DMs. Partner with brands once you hit traction. Business Model 1. TikTok Content Business. TikTok isn't just for dancing videos anymore. Accounts that focus on education, product reviews, or entertainment can grow insanely fast. Once you have an audience, you can earn through Creator Fund, though payouts are small, affiliate links, especially for trending products, selling digital courses or ebooks, driving traffic to another platform like YouTube or a website. The real trick? Post often, test different angles, and double down on what works. TikTok is like a slot machine. One video can hit millions of views overnight. Steps: choose a niche with high interest. Post 2 to 4 videos daily. Use trending hashtags and sounds. Track analytics and replicate your winners. Funnel your audience to other platforms for bigger income streams. My personal journey, the wins and epic fails. Look, I've been doing this for years now, and I want to be completely honest with you about my own journey, because it hasn't been all success stories and viral videos. My first real attempt at making money online was a disaster. I spent 3 months building what I thought was the perfect affiliate marketing website. I was so confident that I told everyone I knew I was about to crack the code. The result? I made exactly $37 in 6 months, barely enough to cover my hosting costs. Then there was my YouTube channel about cryptocurrency. This was back in 2019, and I was convinced I was going to be the next big crypto influencer. I spent weeks researching, scripting, and editing videos that maybe 12 people watched. After 2 months, I had 47 subscribers, and most of them were my friends who subscribed out of pity. But here's where things started to turn around. I launched a simple Instagram page about productivity tips. Nothing fancy, just quick, actionable advice. Within 3 months, I hit 10,000 followers. Brands started reaching out. I was making my first real money online, around $500 a month, just from sponsored posts. That success gave me the confidence to try YouTube again, but this time with a different approach. Instead of trying to be the smartest person in the room, I focused on being the most helpful. My second channel grew to over 50,000 subscribers in 8 months. The lesson? Every failure taught me something I couldn't have learned from a course or tutorial. The Instagram page showed me that consistency beats perfection. The failed crypto channel taught me that passion without strategy is just expensive entertainment. I'm not telling you this to discourage you. I'm telling you this because when you inevitably hit your first roadblock, and you will, you'll remember that everyone who's made it online has a graveyard of failed projects behind them. And that's perfectly normal. Here's the thing. All 4 of these business models, Kindle publishing, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, work, but none of them are magic money machines. You'll need consistency, patience, and the ability to learn from mistakes. If you're aiming for a small side income, you can do everything yourself. But if you want to scale faster, you'll need to delegate, hire editors, designers, or marketers so you can focus on growth. The road won't be perfectly smooth. You'll hit roadblocks. But each time you overcome one, you gain skills and confidence. And next time, that obstacle won't slow you down. As promised, I've put together a free file that breaks down dozens of online business ideas, the costs, the risks, and how long they take to start making money. Now I want to hear from you. What's your experience with making money online? Share it in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.